Connecting to people from different cultures can be so funny, so inspirational and so eye-opening from time to time. So no matter if you are living abroad in another culture or if you are living in your home culture but you are trying to connect to people from other cultures, from other nations, this video is about 3 ways or 3 life hacks that help you to connect to people from different cultures. Ask good questions. Normally, if things are obvious for us, we are not that used to talk about it.
Yes.
But if you are connected to people from different cultures, some like routine things are different for them. So it's good to ask a lot of questions about what their life is or what their life, maybe if you are connected to refugees, was about. You can ask questions about the climate. You can ask questions about animals in their country, about famous places. You can ask questions about family. Because in most of the cultures in this world, family has a very high value. So they like to talk about what their sons and daughters are doing. They like to talk about their grandparents, their uncles, their aunts and whoever belongs to their greater family or huger family. So don't feel ashamed if you ask like some private questions about their families. Normally it's a good connector to people from different cultures. The second life hack is food. Food is not only good to intake your daily nutrition, food is also great to get connected, to get in touch with people from different cultures. Because in most of the cultures in this world, whoa, that's very loud. By the way, this is a motor. In most of the cultures in this world, food plays a huge role in being connected to the people around you. You take your meals together, you talk while you are eating, and it's like a kind of way how people connect in a very simple and very easy way. And you can use this in 2 ways. You can introduce people your habits of consumption. So what are you cooking, what are you eating, and just sharing this to them, sharing your food to them. Or you can do it the other way around, that you learn how they cook their food and what is famous in their country. Maybe you are invited for a meal, so don't hesitate to accept this invitation, because it's a great opportunity to learn from them and to get connected by eating together and talking and just enjoying a good meal. Third life hack is visiting people. For me as a German, it sometimes feels not that comfortable to visit people in their private place if I'm not that close to them. But probably you will experience, especially with people from developing countries, that they will like it if you visit them at their place. They are used to interrupt whatever they are doing and taking time for people that are visiting them and that are trying to appreciate them. Important is just that you bring some time, and sometimes it's not that important what you are doing. If you are talking a lot, sometimes, that's my experience, for the people around me, it's more important that I'm around and that I show interest in their life by just sharing some time. 3 life hacks about how to connect to people from different cultures. Don't forget to be a learner, to learn something from these people if you meet with them, because there is a lot to learn. And if you tried out some of these tips, please leave me a comment down and tell me what is your experience with these 3 life hacks.